Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah guys, so many things happened in the Big Brother Naija show last night and I'll be taking you through everything as it went down. Housemates go wild, Wathoni shows Waya underwear, V kisses Neo for 30 seconds, Ozo gives Nengi lap dance, and Eric kisses Lilo. The Bbnaija lockdown housemates have gone wild in their new Dare or True game organized by Neo and not Praise this time. Before now, Praise used to be the regular organizer of such game. After the Saturday night party, he organized such a game where Wathoni was there to kiss Waya for 20 seconds and she made real the dare by kissing him without thinking twice. So last night, the game had more players than that of Saturday and Neo gave some strict rules that will not allow anyone mess up the game, like Tolani Badge made the last one end obstructly. Neo called himself the oracle of the game and he behaved as such. Wathoni shows Waya are underwear. Wathoni was the first person to start the game as the bottle spin faced her and she was there to pick a guy on the table and show him the color of her pants at the corner of the house while the guy comes back to describe what he saw to the whole house. When Wathoni stood up, she said the guy knows himself, and when the whole house asked who the guy was, she said the guy is Waya. So he stood up, took her close to the kitchen and checked her underwear. He came back and told the whole house that she has a white and black pants on. Eric kisses Lilo. Another wild dare action during the game in the Big Brother Naija lockdown house was when Eric was there to take a lady he would have loved to date in the house, place her in a romantic position and kiss her for 35 seconds. You need no introduction or guesswork to know that Eric was going to pick Lilo. It was easy for him to pick her and do the do. He went straight to where she was seated and carried her to his waist point and kissed her for the whole 30 seconds, while the rest of the housemates ensured that they got a glimpse of what was going on. Ozo gives Nengi lap dance. Ozo also got a dose of the game and Nengi dared him to pick a lady in the house and give her a lap dance. For him, the housemates were thinking he would be in a dilemma about who to pick between Dorothy and Nengi. But Ozo seems not to have a problem doing that, so he approached Nengi, who dared him and picked a chair to the front of the table and gave her the lap dance everyone who watched will not forget in a hurry. V kissed Neo for 30 seconds. Now Neo, who coordinated the game and called himself the Oracle, was there to pick a lady in the house and kiss her for 30 seconds. You did not need to be told who that lady would be, so you will not be surprised when I tell you that he picked V. And V kissed him passionately for 30 seconds. V is already in a ship with Neo, already found the season rather interesting than you would imagine. This kiss looked more of a fantasy than a game for the two of them, especially for V. Waya gets second and third kiss in the house. Waya seems to be the guy who would get the highest number of kisses in the Bbnaija lockdown house because he got 2 rounds of kisses during the game in one night. After I was there to go check Wathoni's underwear, he was there to kiss Erica twice, and he did the 2 times enjoy himself. So guys, this was what went down last night in the Bbnaija house during their truth or dare game. It was so interesting. If you missed, sorry, this is the recap of how it went down. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to my channel as I'll be bringing you more gist from the Bbnaija 2020 house. If this is your first time of viewing, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.